regards to the integrations and with existing workflows, for example, if you have a phone system, some of our customers are using it as a replacement of a very complex IVR as well. So imagine you have an IVR after an IVR, so IVR then sub IVR and sub IVR and so on. You can totally get rid of that. You can simply ask the bot, hey, can you transfer my call to Kate? Kate from marketing or Kate from sales? Marketing, please, and then that's it. The call goes off. Again, you don't have to ask, you don't have to tell the caller what the bot can do. The bot can literally just say, "How can I help you?" And the bot will understand what the caller is saying. It can be a request that's outside of this, but it can go, "Hey, I'm just right now only employed to transfer calls. Would you like me to transfer to someone?" So that's one of the scenarios.